Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where we will be discussing how to add a checkbox in Microsoft Excel. So I have this questionnaire here and I would really like to add some checkboxes to these questions. But the question is how to do that. So it's pretty easy. We'll head over to the ribbon. Anywhere on the ribbon you can just right click and go to customize the ribbon. Once you get there, this pop-up of your Excel options will be there, and we will go to the Customize Ribbon tab over here, and we'll scroll down on this side all the way till we get the Developer section. We'll add that to our ribbon, and we'll just press OK. So we'll see that the Developer has now been added to our ribbon. So we're going to click on Developer. You'll see the ribbon for that section come up here, and we'll just go to insert, and there's this little checkbox over here, and we'll insert the checkbox, and Excel will ask us where do we want to insert this. So I'll click on this cell here next to my question. It'll insert the text box there. So I'm going to right click on this to edit the text. So I want to simply add a yes or no, so we'll do a yes, and let's just get this text box up to size, and there we go. So just one more time, I want to add another text box, checkbox to this question for the no. So in the developer, insert a checkbox. It will ask us where to insert it. Click there, checkbox will appear, and there you have it. I'm gonna right click just to do that again to answer the question of no. So there you have it. We've successfully added a checkbox. And just to note some things, if I click on these, you'll see I can't actually click on the text box. If I want to, it just fills in the text box, the checkbox if I click on it. So I'm just going to press Control, click on the checkbox, and then it will highlight the whole checkbox. And then you can move it around, do whatever you want to do with that. And another neat trick is if, let's say, you want to add this checkbox. I see it's a bit offline. Let's just move it a little bit. This one's probably also, no, it's fine there. So I'm just going to select all these cells next to my questions, and I'm going to press Control D. So that you'll see it'll automatically fill in checkboxes to all the questions. See they have added some extra over here. Just remove those, and you'll see these are now your checkboxes. So you can check these however you would like to. Hopefully you won't be checking no to any of these questions, and that is a simple explanation of how to add a checkbox in Microsoft Excel. And if you haven't checked our question number 4 or 5, please do so. Leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to make sure you do not miss any new videos that we will be posting. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, cheers.